Why do 70% of people feel low on energy as they age? The secret might lie in one essential hormone. HGH, human growth hormone, or HGH, is crucial for feeling youthful and energetic. But as we age, our bodies produce less of it. Enter GenF20 Plus, a natural supplement designed to boost HGH production. How does it work? The magic is in its unique blend of 16 powerful ingredients, key players like GABA for better sleep and L-arginine to naturally raise HGH levels, plus bovine colostrum for enhanced cell repair and immunity. But does it actually deliver? Thousands of users say yes. They report more energy, better sleep, and even improved muscle tone. Unlike pricey HGH injections, GenF20 Plus is all natural and safe. Results aren't instant, but consistent use shows benefits in just a few weeks. Backed by science and clinical tests, it's a smart, natural choice. So ready to boost your HGH naturally? Check out the link in the description for a special discount. Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. See you in the next video.